Hey guys, what's happening? Checking in again. Yeah, I'm purposely late, showing like him in the screenshot, because he's pretty epic. Didn't get any merch yesterday, man. I have a crush soul, but this is the debrief of the Vegas show. And we thought it was pretty awesome. We thought it was awesome. They did get off my cloud, thank God, and said it's only rock and roll. Not that we hate it, it's only rock and roll, but we definitely prefer cloud.
There's everything over there. Making sure
Good,
everything's
thank you.
Thank you.
Our drinks are already here. What else? Oh, Keith did 2 songs. That's the first show of this tour where he did 2 songs. The first one was he got the silver. That's when a bunch of people got up to go to the bathroom. It really disgusted me, but he did a pretty good version for being 80. Right? Yeah. What else, baby? Time went on. The place there were 1 billion people there, huh?
The Bob Dylan song.
Oh yeah, they did like a Rolling Stone, which that was kind of cool. And we've been in a couple shows where Mick claims that Dylan wrote that for him or the Stones, so it actually might make sense since it's like a Rolling Stone, So, is that it? Yes, sir. We're at the Vegas airport. Did I already say that? I don't know. But we're heading home to BWE and looking forward to posting maybe something else other than Stone related.